start.
Yeah. Dog, we don't do this, you know. You see me? But the whole of my G them a link me and them thing there, you see me? We don't do that something in a real life, dog. I see you be out there every day. You see me? Every single day I see you. You see me? From wake I'm a steamer driving. You see me? Nobody not diss me, nobody can style me, dog. No boy can beat my bad man. We not grow so. You see me? The man we are run with this are not nice. Stop running with this youth and remember this dog. Remember when you be a Jamaica youth and hungry like a dog bad man and live round the corner from my house and Portmore dog. And me blood clot you link every day. There are bills and 3 and 4 dog. When you live around the house, blood put you up dog. You never take your people in the house. Flood out all the people in the house and make all a pile of water and them think the bad man. Remember say, your baby mother can tell everybody this dog. I wanna go fake news dog. Remember say, when you not the money dog and I move going to the next house and me help you same way dog. When you move and think, you forgot for something you don't have no money and make your toll, for go across the toll and help your baby mother dog. Bring in the things them in your house dog and everything bad man. You come a foreign bad man, you still broke and hungry like a dog. You know, in a style brother. You see me? In a real life youth. I'm gonna go so booms and you come around in a foreign dog and go so booms and they run bad man and pass when they run. And me about the thing same way dog. You see me? Till I keep my dance, you come dog, I'm letting you in free bad man, you see you want liquor. You trust. Me I say not nice now, no money in a foreign. How am I pay him for my liquor? I not trust him liquor youth. You see me? You go so booms bad man. You keep your dance, I'm not make it for your dance from there LA. You prima for your dance and from that you prima dog, you see me? Bad man, come off my name youth. I see if you there every single day, bad man, in a real life dog. See if you have about 10 part bad man, I'm responsible for 4 part youth in a real life dog. Do back your test you, run back, do back your maths dog and stop spread fake news bad man. Do back your maths, make 2 call dog, I don't know where you run with dog. You see me? Stop running with that something with the bad man. That's why no man now use a youth because your blood clot motor, you love chat. Every man you did around in a blood clot for and stop using it, you know, no man. Yo, stop the fake news, you I see you with it every day bad man. You spread news about artists, this and artists, that dog. Artists do what? Call artists and ask artists dog or DM artists bad man. We don't know what you talk about dog. From me come to Jamaica, I one time alone I see artists. You see me? Dog, stop running with fake news dog in a real life bad man. Stop that something that you. Stop it dog. I'm not even going to do this because I say it's not even relevant in a dog, but everybody a link my youth. I'm not even going to do this dog because it's not relevant dog. You see me? Stop spread news for me dog and make people there afraid and think me get beat up boy or bust face or nothing like that can go on not nice. You see me? Nothing like that can go on bad man. You see it? Every night me the road, every night. I'm a think up bad man. You see me? Every night me the road I'm a 100 man walk behind my dog. In a real life youth. With all this big. Behave yourself youth man. Behave yourself youth. Remember, any city we are going to Jamaica and them something like me and my army dog. Now this can't go on dog. Me not you not nice. But man cut up and chop up all the bad man. Just come off my name dog. Just come off my name dog. I'm not even fear to do this dog because I not do when I run with things I not true dog and talk dog. But I tell everybody I link my dog. I just say you never do this dog. Come off my name not nice man in a real life dog. You see me? And that's why the woman stop fucking your baby mother with the out there and the hot girl, you know. And start fuck a top man uptown in a bad man. And I remember say I'm mad and nearly mad in a dog. You come to me every day in a dog. I'm mad and nearly mad in a youth. Come off my name youth. You're a cruff bad man. You're a cruff dog. Come off my name youth. You see me?